High-end soldering stations deliver precise temperature control, durability, and advanced features that make electronics work easier and more reliable. Whether you're repairing, building, or prototyping, the best models offer consistent heat performance and professional-grade results for hobbyists and pros alike. Starting at number 1, JBC Tools CD1BQF Soldering Station. The JBC Tools CD1BQF Compact Soldering Station is a professional-grade soldering system designed to deliver high-quality performance in a small footprint, making it ideal for electronics work where space is limited. It features JBC's intelligent heat management system with sleep and hibernation modes that help extend tip life up to 5 times, and includes a T245 general-purpose handle compatible with a wide range of C245 series tips for versatile soldering tasks. The station offers precise temperature control from about 90 degrees to 450 degrees, 190 TACD to 840 degrees, and excellent stability and accuracy for consistent results, and it supports connectivity options like USB for data and updates. With its compact design and efficient thermal performance, the CD1BQF is suitable for both hobbyists and professionals working on SMD and through-hole components. Number 2. Metcal MX5210 Soldering System. The Metcal MX5210 Soldering and Rework System with one handpiece is a professional-grade soldering and rework station designed for demanding electronics work, including lead-free soldering, high-mass components, and thermally sensitive boards. It features an 80W output with dynamic power sharing that can support 2 handpieces if needed, and a microprocessor-controlled power supply for precise and consistent performance. The system uses smart YIHUA technology for efficient thermal transfer, lightweight ergonomic handpieces to reduce user fatigue, and is suitable for high-volume production or touch-up tasks. Its robust design and advanced process control make it a solid choice for technicians, engineers, and serious hobbyists working on a variety of soldering and rework applications. Number 3. JBC NACE 1C Nano Rework Station. The JBC NACE 1C Nano Rework Station 2 Tools is a professional-grade compact rework and soldering system designed for precision work on very small surface mount devices, SMD. It includes a nano control unit with 2 tool connections, an NT115 nano handle, and AN115 adjustable nano tweezers, plus a selection of fine C115 cartridges for detailed soldering and rework tasks. The station uses JBC's intelligent heat management with sleep and hibernation modes to help extend tip life and improve soldering quality, and it features integrated tip cleaning, pedal control, and connectivity options for data download, remote control, and software updates. With a temperature range of about 90 degrees to 450 degrees, 190 degrees to 840 degrees, and precise thermal control, it's suited for technicians and engineers working on intricate electronics repair and rework. Number 4. JBC CDE1BQA. The JBC CDE1BQA, CDEB, General-Purpose Soldering Station is a professional-grade compact soldering system designed for general electronics work and reliable performance. It features JBC's intelligent heat management with sleep and hibernation modes that help extend tip life and improve thermal efficiency, along with a soldering assistant function that measures the energy delivered during soldering to help maintain consistent quality. The station includes a T245 general-purpose handle compatible with the C245 series of tips, sold separately, an integrated tip cleaning system, and options for USB connectivity for software updates and traceability. With a temperature range of about 90 degrees to 450 degrees, 190 degrees to 840 degrees, and a compact footprint, it's suitable for a wide range of soldering tasks on SMD and through-hole components. Number 5. YIHUA 939D+ Digital Soldering Station. The YIHUA 939D+ Digital Soldering Station is a compact and budget-friendly soldering system ideal for electronics hobbyists, DIYers, and general repair work. It offers precision heat control with a temperature range of about 392 degrees to 896 degrees, 200 degrees to 480 degrees, and a digital DGC display, allowing you to accurately set and monitor the heat for various soldering tasks. The station uses PID temperature stabilization and a built-in transformer for safer, more consistent performance, and its ESD-safe design helps protect sensitive components during use. With its sturdy build, adjustable temperature, and reliable control, the YIHUA 939D Plus is suitable for soldering PCBs, LEDs, ICs, and other electronics projects. Isso é esses.